Hi, and welcome back to Stop Being Sold. My name is Michelle, and I'm here with Brian. And in today's video, we're discussing 4 ways to reduce those pesky required minimum distributions from your 401ks and your IRAs so that you can reduce your taxable income and avoid higher tax brackets.
And not to mention, if you can keep more in your retirement accounts, this helps preserve your savings, ensuring they're going to last you throughout your retirement. Also, by doing what you can do to reduce RMDs today will help you avoid that hefty 25% penalty for missed RMDs. If you forget about taking them and your RMDs lower, then your penalty is going to actually be lower.
Brian, before we get to the 4 ways to reduce RMDs, let me ask you this question. What would you say to someone who's wondering if RMDs are really that big of a deal that they must plan for it?
Yeah, a lot of people ask me this. Best way to answer this, let's do the math.
Okay.
First, you need to take the balance of all your retirement accounts, like your 401ks, your 403bs, your IRAs, from December 31st of the previous year, and you're going to divide it by the RMD percentage for your age.
Okay.
This gives you your required minimum distribution amount for that current year. We're going to pop up the RMD table from the IRS on the screen real quick so you can see it. And this table is updated periodically by the IRS, and we'll put a link below for you to check it out also.
Walk us through an example real quick of, so it's clear for everybody on how to do this calculation.
Okay. Let's say you're 73 years old today. And according to the IRS chart, your RMD amount is 26.5. Your IRA balance that you have at the end of last year, December 31st, was $1 million. So the calculation is $1 million divided by the 26.5 from that IRS table. That's going to give you an RMD amount of $37,735.85. Your next step, you have to take that first RMD by April 1st of 2024.
That is a lot of money. You add that $37,735 to your other income that you have, like Social Security, if you have a pension. And now I see exactly why taxes on your income in retirement can add up really quick.
Now you see why people should do what they can do to lower these amounts.
Absolutely. Whew. All right. Well, on that note, let's get to the 4 ways that can help people reduce their required minimum distributions.
Okay. First thing is to reduce your IRA balance.
Okay.
So how about considering converting part of that traditional IRA to a Roth IRA? RMDs only apply to traditional IRAs and other pre-tax retirement accounts. Roth IRAs do not have RMDs during your lifetime.
Okay.
Next, if you're over 70 and a half, you can send up to $100,000 per year directly from your IRA to a qualified charity as a qualified charitable distribution. This counts towards your RMD, but avoids reporting the distribution as taxable income.
Brian, real quick, when you talk about the qualified charitable distribution, that's that QCD that you see.
That's a QCD. You're exactly right. That's what that actually is.
All right.
And not everyone qualifies for that, but if you do or you're in that phase, this is a great way to reduce your RMDs.
Okay. All right. What's the third way?
Let's say you're still working at 73. If you're not a major company owner, you can postpone your RMDs from your employer's retirement plan until you officially retire.
Okay.
And the last way, how about considering a Roth conversion ladder? You can space your Roth conversions over several years to gradually reduce traditional IRA balances that are subject to RMDs.
And you'd want to ladder those conversions so you're not paying all those taxes at once if you move everything, correct?
You're exactly right. No big tax hit in 1 year. So.
Okay. All right. We're going to drop a link to a video that we did on how the IRS has changed required minimum distributions again this year. Again, here we go. But this is thanks to the Secure Act 2.0.
Yes.
And what happened is, the IRS is people aren't ready for it.
No.
So there's changes again. You need to know what the rules are. If you are nearing or you're at RMD age, go watch that video. It's in the description below and in the pinned comment.
Definitely.
And also, if you like the content of this video, hit that like button. Help us grow this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks, Brian, for this. And thanks to everyone who watched.
Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.